welcome. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite Mexican sweet snacks, and I'm really excited.
We're going to be making cinnamon sugar churros with a wholesome twist. Wholesome because we're substituting half of the all-purpose flour with wheat flour. We're going eggless and it's handmade, so you'll not need a piping bag to make these. Churros are now ready to be served, and today we are serving them with hot chocolate dip and maple syrup. So what's your pick?
I'm going to go with the hot chocolate dip.
Okay, and I'm going to go with maple syrup.
Crunchy,
wholesome,
and delicious.